What's up, LEGO fans? JDP Builds here. This is the way. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily. Trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's see if we can do it, LEGO fans. So, welcome to another compare video. Now, funny thing about this one, well, when I was looking for all these helicopters, because today we're comparing the LEGO helicopters that I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them. While digging all 12 of these out, I found 2 more ATVs that I did not know I had. So now that brings my total of ATVs up to 14 instead of 12 from last week. So I compared all my ATVs last week and I had 12. Well, now I have 14 because I just found 2 more. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go through them, show them off, probably lift up the camera, it's like, this is all the helicopters. And yes, that is a magnet right there. And I'll get to that one when I get to that one. But I'll lift the camera up, and then I'll show it. Or I might show it to this camera. I don't know. But I'm just gonna pull up the set and its set number. I'm not gonna read the full description, but I'm just gonna say what set and set number it is. This would probably be better. So yeah, 12 helicopters. At least this is all what I was able to find. If I have more, well then, because there is a few more helicopters out that came out recently that I want. Just give me a second to find these. These first 2. There they are. So, these first 2 helicopters here, which they can zip and spin and everything and take off. I'm not going to do it here because it's just, tight in here. They come from the LEGO City Air Race. Very, very minimum amount of pieces. You got this cardboard back here. Or is it plastic? I can't tell. You got 2 pieces right here on the rotors. The rotor itself and this zip part. The body's all one piece, and then the cockpit is just one unique piece. That's it. Comes in 2 different colors. Extreme and Vita Rush Racing. These come in the LEGO City Set Air Race, set number 60260, and they came out in 2020. I remember when I got these, I bought these at a Canadian Tire. For those who don't know, it's like an old, just basically has a little bit of everything in it, and it's a Canadian shop, obviously. They're nice little helicopters, and yeah, you can make them go zip, and they fly. Sometimes they crash. This one's got a bent wing back. This one's a little bit bent the opposite direction. I'm going to try and correct those if I can. But they are nice little helicopters. Next up on my helicopter list is the LEGO City Emergency Rescue Helicopter, set number 60405. If you would have seen recently my Camping with Bricks episode, you would have seen this one, and if you watched that full video, I would have gotten hailed on. Comes with, a retractable line to rescue someone down on the ground while staying up in the air. Top rotor spins, the side rotor spins, not as good as the top rotor. Open up the back can open, and you even got a gurney back there. Or, I forget what they're called. I know gurneys are the ones with wheels, but Hope you know what I'm meaning. Cockpit opens up. Landing skids are buildable. And you could move this line to either side of the helicopter. I wish they would have given you 2 ropes and 2 of these so you could have it on both sides. But really love the yellow here. I really like this helicopter. Next up, we got this little helicopter. Buildable landing skids, propellers move, and it opens up to get the cockpit. Little camera. This little helicopter comes in the Ocean Explorer ships number 60266. Little guy, just a little itty bitty guy. And it came out 2020. Oh yeah, the emergency rescue helicopter came out like earlier this year, 2024. Next up on the list, I gotta scroll through here, so bear with me, please. Oh man, I don't know where that helicopter is. Shnikes. There's another police helicopter I gotta try and find. And I'm back. So, as I was looking through the list for the next helicopter to show off, I found another helicopter set on my list, and it's like, oh, where is this helicopter? I have to quickly find it, so I found it. Found it off camera. So I'm up to 13 helicopters now. That one. Okay, where is this next helicopter? Okay, I know it's here. Should have found all these beforehand and had them ready. Here it is. Rescue Helicopter Transport Set number 60343 came out in 2022. It's another emergency paramedic helicopter. Really nice. Really like it. Open up. It's also got another one of those, holding gurneys. Slides in there. Wheels. Rotor spin. Really like the decals and the stickers. I think this one's printed on. Yeah, this one's printed on. These are stickers here. Cockpit in there. I really like it. It's a nice little helicopter. And it comes with a semi-truck and a trailer for you to, transport it. Why you need to transport a helicopter when you can just fly it? Okay. Next, I'm going to zoom on down to my Jurassic World sets quickly. I got a Jurassic World helicopter. Little one. Here it is. This little helicopter is from the Carnotaurus dinosaur chase from the Camp Cretaceous line. Set number 76941 came out in 2021. Got the Jurassic Park logo, or Jurassic World logo more, and Hanks did kind of a terrible job of applying the stickers. Nice and straight. Cockpit opens up. Rotor spin. Yeah, and it's even got a little stud shooter here on the side. Nice little helicopter. Back Back up to the cities. Alright, so this nice big one right here. If I can get it out of there. Like, that is big. I love how it's got like a 6 rotor blade. Like, just look at that. I like that. I really do. This comes from the Lego City Wildlife Rescue Operation 6, set number 60302. Came out in 2021. Cockpit right there. You got a little like crane hook, like a little lift hook rope right here. Wheels, it's got a little light on the front wheel. The back opens up. There's cargo back there. Back rotor also spins, and there's like decal printed on and stickers. I really like this set, and it was definitely part of the very first line of sets I was building on this channel. Back when the channel though was called JDP Build, or not JDP Builds, but G&J Toys. Now it's JDP Builds. Okay, next up on the list, scroll for it, is this heavy cargo transport. This helicopter comes with it. Set number 60183. It's supposed to have a chain with a hook, but it just hooks onto there, so like a double-end hook or something. And I had to quickly repair it earlier too. It's a nice little helicopter. Cockpit opens up. Got joystick, seat, fits one minifigure. Rotor spins, back rotor spins. Solidly built landing struts, or yeah. It's a nice little helicopter. That's broken, that's why. Okay, next up onto a little firefighter. Onto the firefighter helicopter. I got 2 of them. Just a second here. There it is. One of them anyway. So, next up we got this helicopter. It's got like some water missile cannons right here. This is like they literally blast. Boom! Nice little helicopter. This one's gonna actually sit on top of the my fire station when it's all done. You could rotor spins, back rotor spins. These are stickers and not decals, or like not printed on. You open up the back here, you got another one of those, one of these gurneys. Got wheels, got the cockpit. It's a nice little helicopter. It is a nice fire helicopter. And this was the fire rescue helicopter, set number 60281. And it came out, oops. When did it come out? 2021. Next up we have the fire rescue helicopter, set number 60411. This little guy. You got stud shooters right here that fire water. Cockpit opens up. Rotor spins. You got storage right here on each side. Back rotor spins. You got some no stickers. These are all printed on pieces. These are all printed ons. Landing skids are solid. So it was a nice little build. Came out 2024. Before I leave the city, you know what? No, let's go scroll all the way down to the Marvel sets. So next up on the Marvel sets, I have the Black Widow helicopter chase, set number 76162. Came out 2020. It's the style of a Chinook helicopter. It's got stud shooters on the front, but this stud shooter apparently is broken right here. Now you can't really tell, but it's broken. I didn't even realize it. I have a broken stud shooter. Both of them do rotate really nicely with each other. The back opens up, and there's a little ATV in the back. Which, see? I missed an ATV. This is the helicopter Taskmaster comes in. Really nicely. It's really nice. It's just all black, so it's just black and gray. Not too much color in it, but it is supposed to be from Black Widow, so. But it still is a nice helicopter. Now back up to the city sets for my last two helicopters. Just gotta find them now. There we go. Here's the second last helicopter. It's a police helicopter. The last two are police helicopters. Police helicopter chase, set number 60243, came out in 2020. Back rotor spins, top rotor spins. Can't really open it up inside, but there's a pilot in there. You got handcuffs on the side and a megaphone on the other. And yes, this is a magnet. See, when I was like digging through and found the set, boom, there's my other ATV, a police ATV, which I forgot. So, and then the magnet sticks to this truck. I do have a build video on this one, so you can go check it out. Helicopter just goes on top, and it's a magnet. Of course, you need the other end that's also a magnet. So, yeah. It's a magnet, and it does a really good job of holding it. It's a really nice police helicopter. Love the magnet feature on it. Now finally, the last helicopter, if I could find its if I could find it on my list. I know I saw it earlier. There you are. Elite Police Lighthouse Capture. Set number 60274. Came out in 2020. Like, you got a little camera right here, spotlight, handcuffs. It opens up. There's joystick, cockpit, and these are printed on pieces. These are stickers right here. Rotor in the back spins and rotor up top spins. These are pontoon landing skids, so you can land it in the water. Obviously, this one will just sink because it's Lego built or it's brick built and not actual pontoons. But it is a nice little helicopter, especially for if you're building the city. All these helicopters are really nice for building into a city. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this compare video. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily. Let me know what I should do for next week's compare video, because I'm running out of ideas myself. If not, I'll try and figure something else out. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video, LEGO fans. This is JDP Builds. Y'all stay safe out there. Watch out for yourself. Watch out for your family. This is the way. This is JDP Builds, and this is the way.